To fix Fivem error, the social club account specified does not own a valid license. So if you're seeing that specific error, you're gonna put in mind that it usually means Fivem can't verify that your GTA 5 copy or installed app is properly linked to the correct Rockstar Games social club account. So first, you're gonna make sure you own a legitimate PC copy of GTA 5, like from Steam, Epic Games, or the Rockstar launcher itself. And you can go ahead and try logging out of your Rockstar launcher. Just go ahead and press and sign out and just re-log in. You can also try verifying your game files. You can go to the Steam properties, installed files, and then you can verify the Epic library, which is found on the three dots, and then just go ahead and press on verify. But there's a little workaround you can always go ahead and try. So instead of just opening it directly in Fivem, you can try opening the GTA 5 first in any kind of launcher, like let's say your Epic Games launcher, and you can go ahead and close the Epic Games launcher, not the launcher, but the GTA 5 that was opened up with the Epic Games launcher. And then, for example, you usually play through Steam, and then you can try opening it once through the Rockstar launcher, or vice versa, then let it fully load. You can then exit and open Fivem. This refreshes the license authentication with Social Club, and if that doesn't work, you can also go ahead and clear your Rockstar cache. You can delete the Social Club folder inside the documents of your Rockstar games, then also try restarting your PC and relaunch everything. In most cases, the issue is caused by the wrong Rockstar account being logged in, corrupted cache files, or a launcher mismatch. So those are a few things in mind and options you can try to potentially avoid from this error. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.